Okay, got problems with the air conditioner freezing up just a little bit. When you turn it off, it'll unthaw. After it unthaws, it'll come back on. One of the reasons causes this problem is airflow through the coils. As the pictures shown earlier, you can see the coils are pretty clogged up here. It's pretty simple to clean them out, just outside the unit with just a simple garden water hose. As such, just turn the water on. Got that unit off. Let's start at the top. Spray down the fins. I don't recommend using a brush on them because those little fins are easy to bend. And if you bend them over, the air can't flow through them. But the water hose will generally wash all of that little dirt and debris that builds up just through wind. And you can see that hole beside the air conditioner. The dog likes to get up here and dig holes, throw dirt up. That don't help. Just wash it good and thorough there. Make sure all the coils are nice and clean. I'm going to do the other side same way. And change the air filter inside, and it should be a lot breathing a lot better there. Keep you cooler. Okay, and we're going to replace the air filter. Pretty simple little operation here. Little clips flip open. You see this filter's drawn in because it's pretty much clogged up. It's filthy. No air circulating through this unit. That's not helping it cool properly. I'll lay that to the side because it's full of dust and stuff. Not there's dust everywhere. Now we got our new unit. It says on the filter which way the airflow goes. See the airflow chart? Okay, pops right in. The airflow will just draw it right in the hole. Same size, push it in, push it back, put little pieces back in place, and we're good to go. If there's a little dust on there, the little sweeper thing will clean that right up. And you've got clean air going to your air conditioning unit again. Should keep you cool now.